Welcome back to Jamaica Drone Shots. In our most recent video, we explored the Long Hill Bypass, a massive project that people have been looking forward to. Today, we're turning our eyes to another infrastructure upgrade in the city of Montego Bay. This is the West Green Avenue to Fairfield Road Dualization project, a crucial part of the broader roadworks aimed at reducing traffic congestion and improving connectivity across Montego Bay. As we fly in over the Katrina roundabout, take a good look. This is one of the roundabouts that will soon be demolished as part of the road improvement work. In its place, a modern signalized intersection will be constructed, designed to better regulate traffic and improve safety along this critical stretch. This project involves the dualization of the existing 0.82 km link road between Cooke Boulevard and Fairfield Road, right at the intersection with Barnett Street. Simply put, this stretch will be transformed from a single lane road into a dual carriageway, doubling its traffic capacity. Once completed, this corridor will include concrete median barriers, sidewalks for pedestrians, modern drainage systems, and replacement of roundabouts with signalized intersections. These upgrades are a part of a larger effort to ease congestion, reduce travel time, and improve access between Cooke Boulevard and Fairfield and the upcoming Montego Bay bypass. As we continue flying over the roadway, we can already see the early stages of construction. Areas being cleared, groundwork underway, and equipment actively on site. One major change affecting commuters right now is that traffic has been diverted to the Stadium Road to facilitate this phase of work. The diversion is temporary, but necessary to ensure safety for both motorists and the construction teams. You'll also notice trucks hauling away aggregates and the debris, helping to prepare the site for full-scale development of the dual carriageway. Now, as we fly past this massive building under construction, you might be wondering, what is this building? People who traverse the area regularly might be asking the question as well. Well, this is the new home of the National Baking Company. This $6.5 billion Jamaican dollars state-of-the-art bakery is set to open later this year, and it represents a major investment in Montego Bay, bringing with it jobs, increased commerce, and continued growth for the region. In closing, while the West Green Avenue to Fairfield Road project spans less than a kilometer in distance, its impact will be far-reaching. It's a smart, necessary upgrade, and one that aligns with the larger plans to transform Montego Bay's road network and ease the city's traffic burden. Thanks again for watching this aerial update. If you found the video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course drop a comment below. For more infrastructure coverage across Jamaica, keep it locked to Jamaica Drone Shots. See you in the next one.